Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, today discuss here a very important. This body is designed here easily and clearly, and this body is a exhaust manifold design. And guys, this is a exhaust manifold design is this is a very easily design here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, all view is present here, and this is a this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view this is a 2D drafting is available here. And this body is this is a final product design here, and this body is designed help of this 2D drafting, and all dimension in millimeter, and all fillet 1 millimeter, and all chamfer is 2 millimeter. And this is a this body is designed, and this body is looking perfect and correct, and this is a final product. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here, and all view is looking perfect, and this body is a very helpful. This is a manifold, exhaust manifold. Okay, how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Let's start here. Okay. At first, some setting is very important, and setting is a first is a this is a plain white, and some going to document property and use a image quality is very high, because this body is looking perfect. And some use a 2D drafting, and how to this body is designed. At first, this is a drawing here, and this is a this center point to center point distance is 136 millimeter, and this big circle is radius is 52 millimeter, and diameter is a 104 millimeter. And this circle is a drawing here. This is a small circle is 17, dia is 70 millimeter, and this big circle is a 16 millimeter radius, means this is a diameter is 32 millimeter, and this cutout is a 72 millimeter diameter. This is a correct, and this angle is very important, 38 degree angle. At first, drawing a front plane, and create a some center line, because this is a use a reference point only, and this is a some line is a drawing here. And this angle is a 38 degree angle, and this line and this point is a coincident. And this line and this point is also mid plane. This is a correct, and some angle is a 38 degree angle. This is a very important. And this is a center point is drawing a circle, and this center point is a drawing a big circle. And again select this both. Drawing this small circle is drawing here and correct, and both circle is press a control button, and both circle is select here and use a equal. And connect to each. This is a connect, all is a connect to a line, and all line is a tangent. This is a very important point is discussed here. And last is a connect to this point to this, and this is a tangent. Okay, and okay, this is a diameter is defined, and this center to center distance is 136, and this big circle is 104 millimeter dia, because this radius is 52 and this is a radius is 16, means diameter is a 32 millimeter. Okay, this is a defined this center point to this is a 136 millimeter. Okay, and this circle is a diameter is 32 millimeter, and this big circle is a diameter is a 104 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and all is a black color, means this is a fully defined. And you can see here, this is check here, this center point is a tangent, and also all point is a tangent, because this is a not tangent. The select here, this is a this two line, press a control button and both is selected and use a tangent. Okay, and also this is a use a tangent. Okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined. And some use a trim command and use a power trim, and some extra portion is a cut out, because this is a not usable, and some extra part is a delete here. Okay, this is a perfect. And okay, all is perfect, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a this thickness is a 10 millimeter is perfect, and 10 millimeter is a correct, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. And again select this face, sketch normal, and again this is a cutout is a this cutout is 17 millimeter dia both side and this is a 72 millimeter. Okay, drawing a big circle, and big circle is this, and a small circle is a center point, this to this, because this is a cutout. And again select a both circle, and circle is a equal, and okay, may align a dimension is this is a 72 millimeter, and this is a 16 millimeter cutout. This is a diameter is 16 millimeter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a use a through all, and okay, this is a looking very nice looking here. Okay, and next point is a this is a all point is discussed here, and okay, this use a pattern, and pattern is a this distance is 132 millimeter, and this is a 3, pattern is 3. And at first select this sketch normal, and draw a reference line, means this is center line is drawing here, because this line is only reference line. This use a horizontal. Okay, and this line and exit, and use a pattern. Pattern is a linear pattern, and this is a line is select here. Okay, and use a bodies, and select this, and this distance is a 132 millimeter. Okay, and this is a use a click this reverse direction, and then use a okay, this is a use a spacing and instances, and this distance is a this bit two body is distance between 132 millimeter, and this pattern is 3 pattern. Okay, all is perfect, and this line is a hide. Okay, all is a perfect, 3 line is correct. Okay, next point is a this is a correct, and next point is a drawing this body, and this body is a the 176 millimeter is a this is a use a top plane and use this body, and this body is this circle is this big circle is 120 millimeter, and this point to this distance is 50 millimeter, correct, and this point to this distance is 140 millimeter, is perfect. Okay, all is correct. And this a small circle is 12 millimeter. Okay, and some use a top plane, and use a plane is created here. Okay, and this plane is distance is a 176 millimeter, and direction is flip offset. Click OK. Okay, and this use a 176 millimeter. Okay, some line is drag here. Okay, and this plane is a sketch normal. Okay, this is a perfect. And a reference line is a drawing here, and reference line is a this use a center line, connect to this, and again a line is drawing here, and select a mid line and draw a vertical line is drawing here. Okay, and this line is a small. Okay, all is perfect. And this plane is a use a okay, and this plane is a use this is a hide. Okay, this line is a hide because this is a looking perfect. Okay, and drawing a circle, big circle is drawing here, and this distance, this diameter is a 120 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a this point to this distance is a okay, this distance is a 140 millimeter, and correct. Okay, 140 millimeter, and this small circle is a diameter is 12, and this distance is a center point to this is a 50 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 140 millimeter, is correct. Okay, and all is fully defined because this is a perfect. And use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a this is a blind, and use this thickness is 16 millimeter because use a this thickness is 16 millimeter, is perfect, and click OK. And again select this sketch normal and drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this circle is cut out, and cut out circle is a okay, and this is not mentioned here, but this cutout is a 72 millimeter dia, is perfect. This diameter is a 72 millimeter, is perfect because all is looking perfect. And use a cutout, and cutout is a through all. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. And again select a sketch normal because this is a use a pattern, and a circle is drawing here. Okay, at first create a line. Line is a center line. Okay, this line is drawing here, this to this, and click a small circle. Circle is a this, and align a dimension. This diameter is a 12 millimeter, and this center point to this distance is a 50 millimeter. Okay, and this use a black color, means this is a fully defined, and use a this. Okay, this small circle is 12 millimeter, and this distance is 50 millimeter, is correct. And extrude cut and align a through all, and click OK. Okay, and again select use a pattern is circular pattern, and this use this and click this, and this use a feature is this, and okay, this is use a 360-degree angle, and pattern is 8 and equal spacing, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, all is perfect, but some point is very important discuss here. And next is drawing a pipe is connect to this body to this this use a very important, and this distance is 160 millimeter, 106 millimeter, and this use a 56 millimeter, and this use a fillet is use a 98 millimeter, and this use a 68 millimeter, but this is not mentioned here, and some missing point, and use a fillet. Okay, and this is use a 3D sketch, some point is discussed here, and 3D sketch, and drawing a 3D sketch, and this use a very important. Click a line is a drawing here, and at first select this circle is drawing here, and this line is a this to this. Okay, this is a perfect line and correct, and some is drag here. Okay, and again select a line and click this, and this point to this is a center, and use this to. Okay, this not okay, some use okay, this is a perfect, some use a vertical line. Okay, and again select a line, connect to this to this. Okay, okay, this is a very important, and again align a dimension. This dimension is a 106 millimeter. Okay, and this diameter is 56 millimeter. Okay, but some point is a drag a below side, and some is drag a okay, connect to this point is connect. Okay, and some use a very important a fillet is this this is a use a 68 millimeter, and this use a this, and okay, and again select a 98 millimeter, and this use a this. Okay, okay, all point is correct, but this part is drawing here, and again select a sketch, and this is a drawing a profile, and use a convert entities, and this use a exit. This path is the profile here, and this profile is drawing here, and path is also drawing this, and use a extrude swept boss base, and automatic this profile is select here, and path is click this. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a very looking nice here, and this use this. Okay, and same here, next is a drawing here, use a 3D sketch, and again drawing this, select this. Okay, line is select here, and this is a, and this is a correct, but this point is a vertical and not mentioned here, and this use a press a tab then use a vertical line is okay. Press a tab, and next okay, this again select a, and this use a center line, and okay, this is use a, okay, this is a vertical line, okay, some drag here, and again select a line is a, this connect to this, okay, and this align a dimension is the same here, 106 millimeter, and this use a 56 millimeter is correct, okay, but some point is both side is a drag here and connect to these two, okay, this use this, and again select this point to this, okay, and okay, connect to this, okay, this is a perfect, okay, and some use of fillet is a 96 millimeter, connect to this, and 68 millimeter fillet is this point to this, okay, this is a, okay, and this path is also drawing, and this exit, and again select this sketch, and drawing, again select this, and use a convert entities and exit, both is okay, this profile and path is drawing here, and again use a swift boss base, automatic profile is select here, and this use a path is this, okay, this is a perfect, and click okay, okay, and last point is also drawing here, this use a 1 by 1 because this use a 3 pipe is drawing here, and okay, again select a sketch, 3D sketch, and select a line is a this, okay, this center point to this, and this automatic this vertical, and okay, this is a perfect, again select a line is connect to this point to this vertical, and okay, okay, this is a perfect, and connect a line this point to this, okay, but this is a okay, and use a fillet is a this, okay, some use a line dimension, this diameter is a 106 millimeter, and this diameter is a 56 millimeter, okay, and some use this drag here, and use this circle is this, but this point is this, okay, this is point to this, okay, this point and this point is a use a merge, okay, but there's some missing, okay, again this is delete here, and click a line is connect to this point to this, okay, this point to this is a, okay, some point is a not, okay, this is a fault, and again select this, and this point is a okay, this is a use, this is also delete here. Okay, and this point is also okay. And okay, some point is drag here, and okay, some point also, this is a delete here, and again select a line and use this center point. Okay, this center point is this line is okay, this is a perfect, and use this center, connect to this point to this. Okay, okay, this is a correct, and use this 56 millimeter and some use a connect to center line. Okay, okay, and some use a fillet. Fillet is a 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and okay, this path is created here, and this black color means this is fully defined. And some use a profile, this sketch normal, and this use a convert entities and exit, and use a swept boss base. This profile is automatic select here, and this path is a click this. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, okay, this is a looking perfect, and some material is apply here, and material is a use a metal, and this use a chromium. Chromium is this. Okay, and nickel is also, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better, but some important point is discussed here, and use a cell. Cell is a 1 millimeter, and select this face, and this is a use a 3, and use a okay. This use a cutout is very looking nice here, and also all point is correct, but all fillet is 1 millimeter and chamfer is 1 millimeter, and select a 1 by 1 and click a fillet. Fillet is a this sketch 1 millimeter is, and also back side is a select this, click OK, and again select a fillet, use this to this, click OK. Okay, and again select a fillet. Fillet is a this to back side, select OK. 1 by 1 is select here because okay, and again select a fillet is click, and this is the side is click OK. And some use a okay, all is perfect, and some use a chamfer. Chamfer is a 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle. This use a 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is a at first select a chamfer because this use a fillet. Okay, not usable where because at first select a chamfer. Chamfer is okay. All fillet is a user correct, not Okay, all is perfect, and okay, all his body is drawing here easily and clearly, and all is perfect, okay, and this body is design looking perfect, and all is perfect, and correct, and isometric view is also drawing here, and okay, this is a perfect, okay, and guys, all point is drawing here, and this use a exhaust manifold is design here, and okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a exhaust manifold design, and this is a 4 pipe and exhaust manifold design, and this body is designed help of this 2D drafting is okay, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here. And okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is side view. All view this also geometry is you can see here easily, and to discuss here one by one all point discuss here, and this body is final product is design here, okay, and this body is a product, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a looking very nice looking here and all okay, isometric view is also available here, and this is a all this is a use a cell command is this cut here, and this okay, this is a very nice looking here, and all point is correct, okay. Okay guys, this body is designed easily and clearly, and let's start here. This body is designed, okay. At first click a part, and some setting is a very important, and this use a going to system option and going to document property, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect, okay, okay, and this use at first this body is designed, and this is a center to center distance is 136 millimeter, and this inner diameter is a 72 millimeter diameter. This cutout and this big circle is 104 millimeter, and this circle is a 32 millimeter, and this cutout is 17 millimeter, and this is a angle is very important, 38-degree angle, okay. At first select a plane is front plane, and use a some reference line is drawing here. This line is very important because this body is designed, okay, and two reference line is drawing here, okay, and this line and this point is a coincident, okay, and this line, and again press a control button and select this point and use a midpoint, okay. This is a very nice, and align this angle is 38-degree, and this is a very important, and and this is a draw a bigger circle, and to a small circle is also the end is drawing here. Okay, and connect to line. Line is a tangent, and tangent is very important because this body is drawing. Okay, and again select a line and draw this tangent. Okay, this is a very connect to this. Okay, and align a dimension. This distance between center to center is 136 millimeter, and this bigger circle is 104 millimeter, and this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, and align dimension is a this center to this distance between a 104 millimeter, and this diameter is 32 millimeter, and this bigger circle is diameter is 104 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and this circle and this circle is a use a equal. Okay, but this point is a connect to tangent. Tangent is very important. Okay, this connect to this is a tangent, and again select this, and this is a tangent, and also this use a this is a tangent. Okay, okay, this point is a okay, and this use a 136 millimeter. Okay, this is a very nice. This distance is a 136 millimeter, and okay, all is perfect. And use a some trim command and use a power trim, and some extra portion is a delete here, and this is a delete here. Okay, and this also delete here, and also this is a delete here. Okay, okay, this is very nice, and click OK. Okay, and this extrude boss base is apply here, and okay, and this thickness is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this thickness is already selected here, 10 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, this is very nice, and this face is also sketch normal, and also draw a circle. Circle is this, and again a big circle, and draw a small circle is because this is a cutout. Okay, and at first click both circle is press a control button is this is both is equal, and this is a 72 millimeter, and this is a 17 millimeter. Okay, and this geometry is also drawing here. This is a cutout is a this is a 17 millimeter, and this is a 72 millimeter. Okay, and extrude cut is a through all, and this is a use a okay. Okay, and next is a this is a 1 because this is a 4. Use a linear pattern, and this distance between two center is 120 millimeter. 120 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select this sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is a center line because this is a reference. Okay, this is a very use, and click a horizontal. Okay, and use a exit and use a pattern, and pattern is use a linear pattern. Okay, select this. Okay, and this use a 4 pattern, and distance between is a 120 millimeter. Okay, and select a body, click this, and direction is reverse. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK. And this line is hide because this is a looking perfect. Okay, and isometric view is also this is a better. Okay, and next is a use a this is a drawing here, and this is a perfect, and this distance is a this center to this line is a 130 millimeter, and this point to this is a 106 millimeter. Okay, and this cutout is also 72 millimeter, and this 17. Okay, and draw a, then use, okay, this is a very important point is this use a 171 millimeter is very important. This is a plane created here. Okay, at first use a top plane, and okay, a top plane is select and use a plane created here, and 171 millimeter, this is a flip side. Click OK, and this use a perfect, and this sketch normal, and draw a center line. Center line is very important, and use a this between two distance, this point to this, and again select a center line, and distance of this midpoint is select here, and draw a vertical line. Okay, okay, this line and this also. Okay, this is a hide. Okay, and next is a draw select a polygon. Polygon is a 3 millimeter, 3 side is 3, and use this drawing here. Okay, and this is use a horizontal, and all 3 is select here, and use a construction line. This is a better, and construction line. Okay, and this line is extra is delete here. Okay, and this line is also construction, and this line is also construction, and this is a construction, and this is use a very important, and draw a circle. This circle is drawing here, and again draw this 2 circle. Okay, and all 2 circle is drawing here, and this is a very important, and connect to this line is also tangent. Connect to this, and also connect to this, and this line is a okay, this line is delete here, and connect to this to this. Okay, this line is a not connect to this line to this is a tangent. Okay, and all line is this line is also connect to this line is also use a tangent, and this line is also tangent. Okay, and all, press a control button and all line is selected and click relation is equal, and also 3 line is big circle. Okay, and select a 3 line is also equal. Okay, and next is align a dimension, and dimension is very important. This distance is 130 millimeter. This cutout is a 72 millimeter. Okay, 106 millimeter is this is a use a this to this. Okay, and align a dimension, and this distance is a 106 millimeter. 130 millimeter is perfect. And this point to select this 106 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and big circle is a 70, radius is 17, means this is a 34 millimeter and 72 millimeter and 16 diameter, and this use a 16 diameter, and this use a 34 diameter, and this circle is use a 72. Okay, and this use a tangent, and also this use a tangent. Okay, all is fully defined because this is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and all is correct. But some extra portion is delete here, and this delete is this. Okay, this is a delete here, and also this is delete here, and this line is also delete here, and all is perfect. Click OK. And extrude boss command is use this thickness is this thickness 12 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is better, and exit. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and perfect and correct. And next is use a 3 line. Okay, all is perfect, and drawing this connect to pipe, and pipe is a distance, this length is 54 millimeter, and this is a 114 millimeter, and two distance is perfect. And one point is missing here. This is use a fillet command, and this pipe is a use a 98 millimeter, and this is a 56 millimeter. 68 millimeter is okay. And some sketch or drawing a 3D sketch. A line is drawing here. This point to select this. Okay, this is a perfect line, and also select a line. Line is this is a use this center connect to this, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better. All is a perpendicular, all is this is use a vertical line, and also connect this line and connect to this okay. And some important point is also discussed here. Align a dimension. This dimension is a 104 millimeter, and this distance is this is a 54 millimeter. Okay, and two important point is a fillet command is use a 98 millimeter. First is this, and second is a 68 millimeter is this to this, and 2 is a very important, and this is a extra added here because this is a missing point. Drafting Okay, this is not available here, and 2 important point is okay. And exit, and again select this face, sketch, and drawing a this, and use a convert entities and exit. Okay, and use a swept post base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this select a path is a this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this pipe is a connect here. Okay, next is also same, drawing a 3D sketch, and 3D sketch is a drawing here. Select a line is a this connect, and also this is a perfect. This is a use a perpendicular. This use a line is a vertical line, and also select a this, and also connect, select a line. This line is also vertical, and this is use a this, and also this line and connect to this line to okay, this line to this. Okay, this line is also delete here, and connect to this point to this. Okay. Okay, and align a dimension. This this dimension is a 104 millimeter, and also this is use a 54 millimeter. Okay. Okay, but this use a inward, but use a this is use a this center line, and this center line is perfect. Okay, and some use a fillet is a 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, 98. Okay, not connect here because this is a use a not a okay. Okay, undo, and some line is a this is a use a okay. This line is a drag here is this vertical, because this line is a okay. This is a connect to this, but this line is use a perpendicular, not drag here, delete here. This line is also delete here, but this line is drag here this, and align a this diameter is a 104 millimeter. Okay, and also and fillet is used. Okay, but this diameter this use a 54 millimeter. Okay, and fillet is used a 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and 68 millimeter is this. The fillet could not be added because the specified radius, okay, radius is more. Okay, 36. Okay, and this use a some this line is a delete here, and okay, this line is also delete here, and this line is also, and connect to this two. this line is not delete here, and use this and this center is a okay. This is use this okay, and again select this to this, connect to this, but some point is some extra portion is delete here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 54 and this dimension is a 104, but this is a bigger, and 106 is perfect. Okay, this also delete. Okay, this is delete here. And undo, and this is a delete here, and okay, this is a use 106 millimeter and 54. Okay, and some drag a center line, connect to this, and also this use a okay, this is okay, and fillet is use a 9, this is use a 68 millimeter, and use this and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, but some okay, this is perfect, and correct, and also exit, and also use this sketch and drawing this and convert entities and exit. This profile is created here. Okay, and swept boss base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this path is this, and okay, this is perfect, and two line is created here easily. And next is use again select a 3D line, and this is a copy, is both is this, and select a line and draw a this okay, draw a this circle is this center, and distance is a okay, press a tab, and this line is a connect to this and use a this okay, because and this line is a both is a use a construction line, and this is a very important. And exit and create a plane is a created here, and select this line, and this line is a okay, this is a perfect and okay. And some use a mirror is this select here, and use a first second both is a, and click okay. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And also this is a hide, because this board is looking perfect. And also cell command is a thickness is 1 millimeter, and also select all and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. But combine use a insert and feature. I'm going to combine and also use this and select this to all is added here and click OK. All body can OK added here and click OK. Unable to create. Okay, this is not perfect. And use a nickel is perfect. Okay, this material is apply here, and one point is also available here. This is all dimension in millimeter and fillet is 1 and chamfer is 2 millimeter, and all is a chamfer is apply here 2 millimeter 45-degree angle, and all side this is a use a chamfer. Okay, and also use this and also use this 1 by 1 because this is not use a multiple. Click OK and use a chamfer. Chamfer is this is a delete here, and use this. Okay, and okay, this use this edge. Okay, and fillet is also 1 millimeter is use this 1 millimeter and select this to this, both face is select here and OK. Okay, and also select this face and this face, both face is select here, click OK, and also this face is select here and use this face, click OK, and this face and this face is OK, and last is a remaining, click this face. Okay, this is a perfect, and this face and also this face is a OK. Okay, all is perfect looking here. And okay, and guys, all point is discussed here perfect, and guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a exhaust manifold design, and this is a 5 pipe, and this exhaust manifold is a 5 pipe, and 5 pipe is a very nice looking here, and this is a available today drafting is also you can see here easily. And okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is right view. All dimension and all geometry easily detailed here, you can see here easily and clearly. And this is a all dimension in millimeter, and all fillet is 1 millimeter, and all chamfer is 2 millimeter, and pipe fillet is 98 millimeter, and pipe fillet is 68 millimeter. Means this is a pipe fillet is a this fillet is a 68 millimeter and 98 millimeter, and all geometry and all dimension you can see here easily. And this geometry the help of this body's design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. You can see here. Okay, this is this body is designed, and this is looking perfect and correct, and this hole is also looking perfect, and this is very useful and helpful okay, this project, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, and isometric view is also, this is a perfect. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. At first the part click here, and some setting is a very important. This is a plain white, and use this system option is going to document property, and image quality is very high because this geometry is looking perfect. Okay, and okay, at first drawing this part, and this part is a dimension is a, this big circle is 104 millimeter, and this cutout is a 72 millimeter, and this distance between two center is a 136 millimeter, and this a small circle is 17 millimeter is diameter, and this 32 millimeter is big circle. And the important things, the angle between two line is a 38 degree. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, at first select a plane is a front plane, and okay, this is a correct, and some line is a drawing here because this line is a reference line, and the line is a help of drawing this body. Okay, and two line is drawing here. Okay, select this line and press a control button and select this point and use a coincident. Okay, and again select this line and this point and use a midpoint. Okay, this is a very important, and the angle between these two line is a 38 degree, and this is a very useful. Okay, and next is a drawing two circle, three circle is drawing here. First circle is drawing this a big circle, and two a small circle is drawing here, two end point. Okay, and this is a very useful, and both circle press a control button and both circle is select here, and some relation is this equal. Okay, and connect to this line to this is a tangent, and one by one all is a connect here. Okay, and also this is a connect here, connect to this, and all line is a tangent because this is a very important. Okay. Okay, this is a connect to this, okay, and all this both is a tangent, and use also tangent, and this is a select here and use a tangent and also tangent. Okay, and dimension is a, this big circle is 104, and cutout is next. Okay, this is 34 millimeter diameter, 32 millimeter. Okay, align a dimension is, this is a 34 millimeter, and big circle is 104 millimeter. Okay, and this distance between two center point 136 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This is a Okay, this is a perfect 32 millimeter. Okay, 32 millimeter, and 32 millimeter is better. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is use a touch here and very nice. And this is a fully defined because this body, this is a geometry is a, this is a black color means this all geometry is fully defined. And some trim command is used here, and use a power trim, and some extra portion is delete here because this is a okay looking perfect and all extra portion is delete here and correct. Okay, and click OK, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a okay, this thickness is a 12 millimeter, and this thickness is 10 millimeter, and this use a 10 millimeter and blind and okay. Okay, this is very nice looking here, and use a this face sketch normal, and again select a drawing a this a big circle, and this use a cutout, and cutout is a okay, again select this and use a this. Okay, and also this press a control button, and both circle is selected and use a equal. And okay, this is a 17 millimeter, and this is a 72 millimeter, and both is a cutout. Okay, and use a extrude cut, and cut is a through all, and click OK. This cutout is a very nice looking here, and okay. Okay, next is use here one is correct, and this pattern is a 5, and use a 1, this distance is a this center to point to this both center distance is a 120 millimeter, and pattern is 5. Okay, again select this sketch normal, and use a line because this line is use the help of this pattern. Okay, this line is drawing here, this line is a click a horizontal. Okay, and use a pattern is a linear pattern. Click this line, and pattern is a 5, and this distance is 120 millimeter. Okay, and this body is select here, and this okay, and use a reverse direction, and pattern is 5, and this distance is a 120. Okay, this is a spacing and instances distance between two center is 120 millimeter, pattern is 5. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a height because this body is looking perfect, and isometric view is okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is use here this is a distance is 171 millimeter is this, and use a drawing this body, and this body is a this between distance is 130 millimeter, and this distance is a okay 106 millimeter, and this big circle is cutout is 72 millimeter is perfect, and a small circle is 16 millimeter, and this big circle is 34 millimeter. Click OK, and again select a top plane, and use a create a plane, and this distance is 171 millimeter, and direction is flips offset, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this plane sketch normal. Okay, this is a perfect. Draw a this use a center line, and connect this point to this. Okay, and again click a center line, and draw a line is a vertical line is drawing here, this is a okay, and this vertical line is correct, and this plane is height, okay, because all is looking perfect, okay. And drawing use a hexagon. Hexagon is a, this is a 3 parameter is 3. Inscribe circle and click this, and drawing a triangle, and all select all 3 edges and use a construction, okay. And this is a horizontal, perfect, and this geometry is this 130 millimeter, this center to this point, and okay, this center to this point is distance is a 130 millimeter, okay. And okay, and also draw this circle is drawing here, and this circle is a 2 circle is drawing, okay. And this circle is drawing easily, because this is a use a pattern, and circle is drawing here, okay. At first, okay, and this is a connect to this, and all one by one is connect. And you remember all is a tangent connected here, because tangent is a, okay. Or this is not connect a tangent, because you can select a both line and use a relation is tangent, okay. All is perfect, and this line is not tangent, use a tangent, okay. This is also tangent, this is correct, okay. And this distance is a, okay, this is a big circle is 34 and a small circle is cut out is a 16 millimeter, and use this to this point to this distance is 106 millimeter, okay. And align a dimension, okay. This point to this distance is a 106 millimeter, okay. And this big, okay. And some relation is all big circle is select here and use equal relation, and a small circle is also select, press a control button and all is select here and use a equal, okay. And the big circle is a 34 millimeter and a small circle is 16 millimeter, okay. And this is a perfect, and connect to this is a, okay, this is a perfect, okay. Connect to this tangent connected here, and this is a 32 millimeter 672 millimeter, because this is a cutout, okay. All is perfect, because this is a black color is means this is a fully defined, and some extra portion is delete here and deleted this, okay. This is a delete here, and also this is a delete here, okay. This is a delete here and correct, click OK, okay. And use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a, this thickness is a 12 millimeter, and this thickness is 12 millimeter is perfect, and use a, okay. This is a perfect, Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this is a very important, and this pipe is drawing here, and pipe to connect to this body to this. Okay, all is perfect. And this use a 114 millimeter this thickness, this length, and this is a 54 millimeter, and this is a very important, and this use a 3D sketch, and 3D sketch is connect here, a line is connect, line is select here, and use this circle is this center, and this, okay, this is a perfect, this line is a perfect drawing here, and again select this line and use a this center is a distance is a this. Okay, and this is a, okay, this, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and also connect a line, connect to this point to this, and use a this. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and align a dimension. This diameter is a 104 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 54 millimeter. 54 millimeter is this, and some use a downward because this is a connect a center. Okay, this is a correct, and some use of fillet. Fillet is pipe fillet is 98 millimeter, and fillet is 68 millimeter is used here, and use of fillet. Fillet is a 98, okay, 98 millimeter, and use, okay, 98 millimeter is this, okay, and 68 millimeter is this point is this, and okay, and okay, okay, and exit. And next is this face is select sketch and draw. Okay, this select here and use a convert entities and click OK. Okay, and use a profile is also select here, and use a path is drawing here, and use a swept boss base, and this profile is automatic select here, and use a path, and this pipe is drawing here, and connect to this point to this, and use click OK. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, next is a, okay, this is a drawing here is perfect. Okay, okay, and next is a, again select this is a 3D sketch, and drawing a, click a line, and line is a perfect, and this is a, this, okay, select a this, and this is a drawing here. Okay, this is a vertical. Okay, and again select a line. Line is a use a this circle, and this circle is drawing a this, and again select a vertical. Both is vertical, and again select a line, connect to this line to this. Okay, and align a dimension. This is a use a 104 millimeter, and this use a 54 millimeter, but this point is not a center, and connect to this center is this, and also this is a, okay, and connect to this. this point is drag here. Okay, okay, all is perfect. And this is a 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this, and click OK and OK. But this is a this drag here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a black color, means this is a fully defined. And exit, and also select this face sketch and draw, select this and use a convert entities and click OK, and apply a swept boss base. And swept boss base is for this profile is automatic. Select here and click a path. Path is a select here. Okay, but this is not a okay, this is a okay, and this use a edit a sketch and drawing a this, and also this sketch is also editing here. And this okay, and this line is a delete here. Okay, and select this line and use this circle is a drawing here, and use this. Okay, connect to this, and some important point is discussed here. And this dimension is a 54 millimeter, and okay, okay, this is a perfect. And this use a 104 millimeter and click OK, and again select a swept boss base, and this profile is select here, and this path is okay. This is a very nice looking here. Okay, and click OK. Okay, 2 is a drawing a perfect. And and next is a okay, this is a very important. And again select this 3D sketch, and 3D sketch is drawing a okay, select a construction line, this center to drawing this vertical. This line is a select a vertical. Okay, not vertical, then use a press a tab and select a vertical line and use this is a perpendicular line is drawing here. And this line and this line is very nice looking here. And exit, and use a plane is created here, and select this and this, click OK. And some mirror is also, and mirror is a select to first and second, okay, this is a very nice. Okay, this is a use this, but okay, and edit, and also this is delete here, and one is perfect, and click OK. Okay, okay, and this is a one is a drawer and this is a copy. Okay, this is a perfect perfect and correct. And also, and again select a 3D sketch and drawing. Okay, select this and drawing this center a line is this is a vertical line. This line is a vertical. Okay, and again select a line, and this is use this and draw a vertical line. Okay, this is not vertical, and delete here, and again select a line. Line is a select this center, and this distance is a not perfect, and use a okay, this is a press a tab button and click this is a vertical. Okay, and two vertical line, and again select a line and connect to this to this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and also this geometry is a 104 millimeter, and select this is 54 millimeter. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here, and also this fillet is used here, and this 98 is this, and 68 is this. Click OK, click OK, and this is a drag here this and this center to this. Okay, perfect but this point is also drag here. Okay, this is not drag here, this is a fix but this line is a not, this also drag here, and okay, this is a perfect line is connect to this center line. Coincident. Okay, this is a perfect and exit, and next line is this face is selected a sketch, and select this line, use a convert entities, and also this is a perfect and exit, and use a swept boss base, and this profile is selected and click a path is also this is a perfect click OK. Okay, this is very nice looking here, but and again select a mirror. Mirror is this, mirror is this. Okay, plane is select here and use a this, and use a this, and click OK. Okay, okay, and this plane is hide because this body is looking perfect and this plane is also hide. Okay, and cell command is a use here, and 1 millimeter is cell command is use, and all face is select here, this 1 by 1 is select here, and also this, and use OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and okay, this is a perfect and some material is apply here, and use a material is a this metal is a nickel nickel is this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct and one. Okay, this all fillet is 1 millimeter and chamfer is a 2 millimeter is correct and this use a chamfer is 2 millimeter 45-degree angle and all select a 1 by 1. Okay, this and okay and also select a chamfer is this and click OK and also select a chamfer is 2 millimeter and 45-degree angle and this and not a multiple, select here. Okay, chamfer is also select here is this, click OK and also select this. Okay, and next last is a click this is a 2 millimeter 45-degree angle is select here this and click OK. But next point is a 1 millimeter is fillet is used here and select this face and use a 1 millimeter and select a back side is also this is a OK and also select a fillet is a use this face and back side face is also this face, click OK and fillet is use this is okay this face and back side is also this face and click OK and OK select this face and select this face. Okay, and also and use this and back side and front side is both face is select here 1 by 1 and last is a fillet is use 1 millimeter select this face and use a back. Okay, this face is click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct and also fillet is used here and click this line but this 1 millimeter and also select 2 millimeter and okay this is a 3 millimeter increase and also this is a 4 millimeter and click OK. Then some very nice looking here. Okay, and also use a fillet is this and also select this is a correct and perfect. Okay, this is a okay not use here but some okay and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and this is a 5 this body is a exhaust manifold connect 5 pipe and 5 pipe is a very nice looking here and all is perfect and correct. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is design and this is a beautiful this product is very nice looking here, and this product is a exhaust manifold with threads. This is a exhaust manifold design and with threads is also available here. And okay, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and 2D drafting is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all detail is mentioned here one by one, and all dimension in millimeter. And pipe fillet, this is a fillet is 68 millimeter and 98 millimeter, and threads details is also available here. This length is 92 millimeter, pitch is 6 millimeter, and size is M72, and offset is 6 millimeter. Okay, today discuss here all point is discussed here one by one, and this is a all detail is mentioned here, and this is the final product is a this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and this product is a this is a looking very nice, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a so nice looking here, and all is perfect and correct. All is this is a this is a hole is also size is correct, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this body is designed to discuss here one by one, all point is learn here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and some setting is discussed here. This is a plain white is correct, and this is a going to document property, and going to image quality. Image quality is very high because this all geometry is looking perfect and correct. Okay, at first drawing this body, and this body is this pattern is used here. This pattern is length is a this two center point distance between 120 millimeter, and this is a 4 pattern, and one is drawing here. This is a this center to center distance is 136 millimeter, and this angle is very nice and very useful. And this a small circle is diameter is 17 millimeter, and big circle is radius is 16 millimeter, and this cutout is all cutout is 72 millimeter, and this big circle is radius 52 millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and okay, this is a and this is a use a front plane, and some reference line is drawing here, and reference line is drawing this. Okay, and again this center line is drawing here this, and two line is very important, and select this line and this center point and use a coincident. Okay, again select this line and use a center point and use this is a midpoint, and this is a very nice. Okay, and again a smart dimension is used here, and this angle is a 38 degree is very important. Okay, this is a perfect, and drawing a two circle, big circle is this, and two circle is small circle, and this drawing to this, and this circle is this. Okay, and select press a control button and select both and use a relation is equal. Okay, select this and use a line and connect to this, and again select a line and use this to this. Okay, and again select a line and this to this, connect here, and all connection is a all is a Tangent is very important, because this is a not tangent here, and then use a this use a tangent, but select this point to this point is use tangent, and again select this both is select tangent, and also this use a tangent. Okay, this already is tangent here, and all is perfect. Okay, and mention dimension, this is a okay, and this distance between center to center is 136 millimeter, and this radius is 52, means diameter is a 104 millimeter, and this big circle is a 16, means diameter is a 32 millimeter. Okay, 104 millimeter, and this is a use a this is use a this delete here, and also this is use a 32 millimeter. Okay, and this distance between two center is use 136 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is a fully defined, because this is a perfect. And some trim command is used here, and some extra portion is trimmed, because this unwanted. Okay, this is not used here, and this also trimmed, and this also trimmed. This is a correct. And use extrude boss, and this thickness is a this thickness is 10 millimeter, and this thickness is 16 millimeter. Okay, this use a blind, and use a thickness is 10 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this face use here, and use a normal, and use a big circle drawing here, and both side is a use this to this use here this, and both select this to this and use a equal, and this diameter is a 72 millimeter, and this diameter is a 17 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is very important, and use a cutout. Okay, this is a perfect, but all is this is a use a one body is clear design, but use a pattern, and this is use of 4 pattern is 4, and this body is 4. Okay, and select this face sketch normal, and use a reference line, and reference line is very important, because this use a pattern, and this line is a horizontal. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit, and use a linear pattern, because this line is a horizontal, and use a this, and this distance is a 120 millimeter. Okay, because this to center distance is a between two center distance between 120 millimeter is perfect. And this use pattern is used here a 4 pattern, and this distance is 120 millimeter, pattern is 4, and use a bodies, and click this body, and direction is a reverse direction, and use a this, and click OK. Okay, and this line is a hide, and isometric view. Okay, this is a perfect, and next is use here, and next is a this, and this circle is drawing here, and this circle is a pattern also use here, and this circle is big, diameter is a 130 millimeter, and this center to distance is a 160 millimeter is drawing here. Okay, and one point is very important, this point is a 178 millimeter, this is a direction is upward. Okay, this is a downward direction. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a top plane, and a line is plane is created here, and this distance is 178 millimeter, and direction is flip side downward and click OK. Okay, and this is a, and also this plane sketch normal, and at first drawing a line, a center line is drawing here, and this connect to this point to this. Okay, and again select a center line and select a midpoint and use a this to this. Okay, and this plane is hide because all is looking perfect, and this circle is drawing here this point. Okay, and this circle is drawing here, and this circle is diameter is 130 millimeter. Okay, this is delete here and use a, this is a 130 millimeter, and this distance is this to this point, distance is 160 millimeter. Okay, and this is a very nice 160 millimeter is perfect, 160 millimeter and 130 millimeter, and this thickness is okay, this thickness is 17 millimeter is perfect. Okay, 17 millimeter. Okay, and both is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a blind, and use a 16 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, and also this sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this, and this circle is cut out, and use a 72 millimeter is cut out is perfect, and use a extrude cut use a through all, and click OK, and again select this sketch normal, and drawing a center line, and this center line is very important because some use a pattern, and again select a click, draw a circle, and circle diameter is 14 millimeter, and this distance to this is use 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and also this is perfect because this is a pattern, use a 14 millimeter, and this 52 millimeter is correct. Okay, this use of 52 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and use extrude cut is a through all, and click OK, and use a pattern is select a circular pattern, and select this. Okay, click here, and this is this edge, and also select this, and use this pattern, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a correct, and next use a 3 line is drawing here, a 3D line is drawing here, and this pipe is connected to this. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. Okay, and this is a perfect sketch, and 3D sketch is drawing here, and select click a line is this is a, okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this is a drawing here this also click here, and select this center to drawing here, not a middle. Okay, this is a perfect, and click press a tab, and use this vertical line is perfect, vertical line is correct, and also click a line and connect to this line to this, and this use a very nice looking here. Okay, and some geometry is drawing. Okay, this is length is 1 114 millimeter, 114 millimeter, and this length is 54 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this length is a 114 millimeter and this length is use a 54 millimeter is correct, but this line is a not center and connect to this. Okay, this is a perfect. And use a fillet. Fillet is this use a pipe fillet is 68 millimeter and 98 millimeter, and use a fillet is a 98 millimeter, and use a this and also 68 millimeter, and use a this, and both fillet is use here and perfect. Okay, and exit this path is drawing here, and again select this face sketch, and this profile is also this, select this edge and use a convert entities and click OK. Both is profile and path is drawing here easily. Okay, use a swept boss and profile is automatic, select here and click a path. Okay, this is a perfect pipe is this preview is showing here and click OK. This is a perfect, and okay, and again select a sketch, 3D sketch, and drawing a line, and line is a this, and select this circle, and this circle is a okay, this circle is a this center point, and use a tab, and this is use this perpendicular line. Okay, this is not mentioned here, and this line is delete here. This line is a vertical line, and select this, and this line is a vertical line. Okay, this line is a this line is a vertical line. Okay, and again select this. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a okay, this vertical line is this. Okay, and connect to this line to this. Okay, and perfect. Okay, this is okay, perfect, and use this. Okay, this is use this length is 114 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 54 millimeter is perfect, and okay, and this point is this drag here and connect to this center, and this center is perfect. Okay, and this is a drag here, and this is a okay, this is a perfect, and also use a fillet is 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and okay, this path is drawing here easily, and also exit and click this face sketch, and this use a convert entities, and this profile is also drawing here and click OK, and use a swept boss, and this profile is drawing here, and path is also drawing here, and select this path. Okay, path and this profile is both is click here and click OK, and this body is drawing here, and then next two is this body is copy here easily. Okay, and also 3D sketch is drawing here. Okay, and select okay, this is this circle is okay, drawing a center line, and center line is this circle is okay, this is a correct, and this is a vertical line. Okay, and use also horizontal line and correct. Okay, Okay, not better, but this line is delete here. This line is a use. Again select a center line and connect and this to this, and not use here, and press a tab, and tab button is a okay. This use a okay. Okay, this line is a use a curve, but curve is not mentioned here. Use a line, and line is a okay. Okay, this use a tab. Okay, this is a perfect line. Okay, this line is a correct, but select a exit and use a this plane is created here, and this plane is use this line and click this line and click OK. This plane is create here easily, and use a mirror. Mirror is this, and automatic this plane is select here, and use this line, and swept boss base is to first is, and again select is a this, both is select here, and this preview is showing here. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this body is a correct, and both is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and cell command is use here, and cell is one thickness is 1 millimeter, and select this, and all is 1 by 1 is select here, and this to this, and click OK. Okay, all is a this is a hollow, and okay, all is looking perfect, and okay, and next is use here okay, this is a perfect, and this use this length is 96 millimeter is, and this diameter is 80, and select this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is this, okay, center point is select here, and this circle is drawing here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 80 millimeter. Okay, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a thickness is a 96 millimeter. Okay, and use a thin feature, and thin feature is a direction is a okay reverse. This is a inward direction, and this is a looking perfect, and click OK. Okay, and this use a 96 millimeter. Okay, and use a fillet. Fillet is this, use a 1 millimeter is perfect, and use a this 1 millimeter, and click OK, and again select a okay, but this not mention here of this fillet is delete here because okay, this is delete here, and select here a fillet. Fillet is used here 1 millimeter, and select this face and also this, and click OK. Okay, this is a looking perfect. And next is use a thread. Thread is used here. This is a 92 millimeter, and this offset is 6 millimeter, and okay, this use a pitch is 6 millimeter, and size is 72 millimeter. Okay, and use a thread. Thread is this use a select this. Okay, offset is used here 6 millimeter, direction is outward. This is a perfect, and this 92 millimeter, and use a metric to die, and this M72 multiply 6 means size is M72 size, and this 6 millimeter is pitch, and also this cut thread is also perfect, and right handed cut thread is perfect, all is looking perfect, and click OK. Okay. This active process is some little late. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this thread is used here, and some black color is mentioned here because this is a perfect. Okay, and material is apply here, and material is this, use a nickel, and nickel is a this, and okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and some, and okay, this is a some use a chamfer is 2 mm and 45 degree angle, and this is a fillet is 1 mm, and one by one and use a chamfer is a, this is a 2 mm and 45 degree angle, this use a this, and click OK, and again select this chamfer is used here, and select this, click OK, and okay, this is a perfect, and again select a chamfer is this, and this is a multi is not used here, one by one is perfect, and select this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect, and also fillet is used here, and this fillet is a 1 mm, and this select this and select this both side and click OK. Okay, and also fillet is used here, and click this face and click this. Okay, okay, and again select a fillet this face and use this face and click OK, and the last this, click this face, and this face is also this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and isometric is also better, and this is a okay, this is a perfect, and this front view is also better. Okay, okay, and use this. Okay guys, all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, okay guys, thank you.